This question says that the equation kx squared plus 2kx plus 4 equals to 0, where k is a constant and has two distinct real roots. Find the possible values of k. So since it has two distinct real roots, that means we're going to use b squared minus 4ac greater than 0. A value is going to be k, b value is going to be 2k, and c value is going to be 4. Just gonna highlight these. So which means it's gonna be 2k whole square minus 4 times k times 4 greater than 0. 4k square minus 16k greater than 0. Take 4k common. So k minus 4 greater than 0. So if we roughly sketch this inequality over here, 0 and 4. We can see that our inequality is greater than 0. So since it's greater than 0, that means we are going to focus on the values above the y-axis, which means at x equals to 4, values of x are increasing, and at x equals to 0, the values of x are decreasing. So our possible values of k are going to be k is less than 0 and k is greater than 4. These are our possible values of k.